Kinley? And for you? That for Kinley? You say thank you.
Pretty girl. What do you have, pretty girl? Alright, enough of that. What's in this box?
Moving on.
She's like, this is like, let's make a deal. What's behind this box?
Pulling the bow. Wow, you have a friend. Huh?
She said, get this thing out the box.
Did you play him? Say, Mama won't do it, so I love Daddy.
Yeah. Say thanks, Daddy.
Keep her over here.
Kinley? Kinley.
She was that, though.
Watch the fireplace.
Say, give me that.